The Golden Gate Bridge, an icon of engineering and culture. The Golden Gate Bridge, an iconic symbol of San Francisco and a marvel of modern engineering, has captivated millions since its completion in 1937. Spanning approximately 1.7 miles across the Golden Gate Strait, where the San Francisco Bay meets the Pacific Ocean, it connects the city of San Francisco to Marin County. This bridge is not only a functional transportation link but also a cultural landmark, representing innovation, beauty, and the spirit of California. The idea of a bridge spanning the Golden Gate Strait emerged in the 19th century, driven by the need for a reliable transportation route. Before its construction, the only way to cross the strait was by ferry, which was often slow and limited by weather conditions. In the early 20th century, with the growth of San Francisco and the surrounding areas, the demand for a bridge became increasingly urgent. In 1921, Joseph Strauss, a bridge engineer, proposed the idea of a suspension bridge. His initial design was met with skepticism, as many doubted the feasibility of constructing a bridge in such a challenging environment. The strait is known for its strong tides, high winds, and frequent fog, which pose significant engineering challenges. The design of the Golden Gate Bridge was a collaborative effort. Strauss worked with prominent engineers, including Leon Moisseiff and Charles Alton Ellis, and the renowned architect Irving Morrow. Morrow's contributions were particularly significant, as he helped shape the bridge's Art Deco style and its distinctive international orange color, which was chosen for visibility in fog. Construction began on January 5, 1933, during the Great Depression, a time when many were looking for jobs and hope. The project employed thousands, providing much-needed work and boosting the local economy. Despite the perilous conditions, including strong currents and adverse weather, the construction proceeded rapidly. The most notable achievement was the successful completion of the bridge's towers, which rise 746 feet above the water. The bridge was officially completed on April 19, 1937, ahead of schedule and under budget. It was open to pedestrian traffic first, with a grand celebration that attracted thousands of visitors. The following day, vehicles began to cross the bridge, marking the beginning of a new era in transportation. The Golden Gate Bridge was the longest and tallest suspension bridge in the world at the time of its completion. Its main span measures 4,200, and it features two towering pylons that support the roadway. The engineering techniques employed were groundbreaking, utilizing innovative materials and construction methods that set new standards for future bridge design. One of the most impressive aspects of the bridge is its ability to withstand the forces of nature. Engineers designed it to flex and sway with high winds and seismic activity, ensuring its stability and safety over time. This foresight has proven invaluable, particularly as California is prone to earthquakes. Beyond its engineering significance, the Golden Gate Bridge has become a cultural icon, symbolizing not just San Francisco, but California itself. It has been featured in countless films, television shows, and works of art, becoming an enduring symbol of American ingenuity and spirit. Photographers and artists flock to the bridge, drawn by its striking silhouette against the backdrop of the bay and the city. During sunrise and sunset, when its colors shift dramatically, creating breathtaking scenes that captivate viewers. Moreover, the bridge has been a site for various cultural events and activities. From annual marathons to music festivals, it serves as a backdrop for celebrations that bring the community together. Its walkways are popular with pedestrians and cyclists, offering stunning views of the bay and the city skyline. While the Golden Gate Bridge is celebrated for its beauty and engineering, it has also faced criticism regarding its environmental impact. The construction of the bridge altered the natural landscape and affected local wildlife. Over the years, concerns have arisen about the impact of traffic and pollution on the surrounding environment. In response, the Golden Gate Bridge Highway and Transportation District, which manages the bridge, has implemented policies to promote sustainable transportation options. Maintaining the Golden Gate Bridge is a continuous effort, given its exposure to harsh marine conditions. The bridge undergoes regular inspections and maintenance to ensure its structural integrity and safety. This includes repainting, which is necessary to protect it from rust and corrosion. Today, the Golden Gate Bridge attracts approximately 10 million visitors each year, making it one of the most photographed structures in the world. Tourists from around the globe come to walk across the bridge, take photographs, and experience its breathtaking views. The Visitor Center provides educational exhibits about the history and engineering of the bridge, enhancing the experience for tourists and locals alike. The bridge remains a vital transportation link, facilitating the daily commute for thousands of residents. It is also an essential part of the regional economy, supporting tourism and local businesses. The Golden Gate Bridge stands as a testament to human ingenuity and resilience. It is a remarkable feat of engineering that has transformed the landscape and connected communities. More than just a bridge, it is a symbol of hope and a source of inspiration for generations. As it continues to stand tall against the backdrop of the San Francisco Bay, the Golden Gate Bridge will undoubtedly remain an enduring icon for years to come, captivating all who cross its spans or gaze upon its majestic form.